ready for the summer, girl, your hair look killer. See your getting bigger, but your waist looks slimmer. And I hope I'm still with you when your hair get thinner. I ain't gotta work it out, I know I'm onto a winner. And I love it when I see you sing a song in the mirror. When you play your favorite records where there ain't no filler. Chicka chai, chicka shy, DJ Dilla. Now I'm on the right track, went from a train to a limo. Now we on the right track. Yeah, you should know me back in college, now I got it like that. Could've gotten sidetracked, now I'm back on my feet. If I hadn't achieved, would you pack up and leave? Now you're scratching on me like we're Adam and Eve. Play a remix to Ignition in the back of the Jeep. She like the hoop, but she don't know the words. She know I love her even if I never say the words.
You are something I can't replace. You made my heart beat. You make me stronger. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go. You are something I can't replace. You made my heart beat. You make me stronger. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go.
Struggling life, ready for your trouble and a couple of bites. Why don't you stay over here and keep me up in the night? And when you're coming in here, I do it just like you like. Girl, I'm ready for your loving, girl, I keep on pulling. You my lucky number that I keep on calling. Wanna never let me go, she said she fed up with joy. Because I kiss her in the night and then I leave in the morning. I tell her one, I already know she the one, she 22. We in the fun time blue, and when she free, you know she cool on me. Then I make her take it off and pull it all on me. Laying in the seats, don't sleep tonight. Playing R. Kelly, I believe I can fly. Yeah. She like the hoop, but she don't know the words. She know I love her even if I never say the words.
You are something I can't replace. You made my heart beat. You make me stronger. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go. You are something I can't replace. You made my heart beat. You make me stronger. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go.
Sides, I see you're quite shy. Guess I'm a sucker for those nice sides. I ain't in it for the money or the fame. I'm the one that all the honeys couldn't tame. Yo, I changed.
You make my heart work. You make me stronger.
You know I changed.
This thing we have, it can't be bought or sold. Now you are something I can't replace. You make my heart work. You make me stronger. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go. You are something I can't replace. You made my heart hurt. You make me stronger. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go. Oh, 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 oh.
Nobody wanna let you go.
Go, oh, oh, oh. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go. Oh, 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 oh.
Nobody wanna let you go.
Go, oh, oh,
Nobody wanna let you go.
I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go.
Papi G, anong masasabi mo sa ride natin ngayon sa Prince Edward County?
Wait lang. Kailangan lang dito medyo stable lang ang pedal.
Stable lang ang pedal.
Too much of your energy, otherwise you don't know what to expect. Like, so save your energy. Like,
Alright.
so maybe careful.
Okay, thank you, Papi.
It's showing something in the uphill.
Alright, thank you, Papi. Ano pong masasabi mo sa ating ride ngayon sa Prince Edward County? Ngayon nakaka 50k na tayo.
Medyo pagod na pero okay lang.
Yung ano po, yung braso nyo po, yung kamay. Oh, naliligaw pa kami. Mamsi! Ngayon nakaka 50 na tayo. Ano nararamdaman niyo po?
Nako, ang ganda ng feeling. Parang feeling ko mag-umpisa pa lang ako eh. Parang
Kaya pa ng plus 200, no?
Sarap kasi.
Sarap.
Nag-draft kami.
Nice.
Gawin natin to sa mga long rides natin.
Alright.
So good.
Okay, thank you, Mamsi. Mabilis lang. Ano masasabi niyo sa ating grupo? Group ride ngayon.
Isa lang problema,
Ano po?
di ako napapagod.
Thank you, thank you. Ikaw, Papi James.
Anong problema?
Anong problema?
Hindi ako gutom.
Hindi nagugutom. Parating busog.
Sabi ni Denny, 3 daw siyang ko eh.
Thank you. Mabilis lang. Ano na, nakaka-50 na tayo. Ilan pa?
Kunti na lang.
Konti na lang.
100 pa, 100.
100 pa. Thank you, Papi.
Oh yeah.
Ano masasabi mo? Ngayong bago na yung bike mo.
I think bumilis ako.
Masarap ba umupo?
Masarap mag-coast.
Pag walang saddle.
Masarap kumambyo.
Thank you, thank you. Papi Dennis,
What?
ngayon nakaka-50 na tayo.
Ako'y pagod na.
Pagod ka na.
Pagod na 50. May 50 pa.
Hello. Hello. Thank you, Papi.
Tuloy pa rin pagkihirap.